In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to PC or laptop and no USB cables needed. So, the first thing you want to do is actually go to the App Store and download Google Drive for free. Now, once you've done that, you want to open up Google Drive, and the first time you do this, you'll have to sign into your Google account. Now, once you're here, what you want to do is press the plus sign in the bottom right corner, and then you want to select Upload File at the top. From here, you want to select Photos and Videos at the bottom, and then it's going to ask you if it can access your photos and what photos you want to add. So I've already added my photo, so I'm going to go to the recents here, and I'm going to select the photo I want to share, and I'm going to go to Upload in the top right corner. Then it's simply a matter of waiting for your upload to process. If you ever want to check it, press Files in the bottom right corner, and it'll appear here if it's uploading. Now, after a few moments, your file should appear, and if you don't see it, simply just refresh it by swiping down, and it should show up after a few seconds. Now you want to go into your computer. Once you're on your computer, you want to open up a web browser and go to Google, and then you will see a sign in option in the top right corner, and you want to sign into the same Google account that you used on your phone. Then you want to go to these circles in the top right corner, which is the Google Apps, and you want to scroll down on this page and select the Google Drive. Now, here's where you should be able to see the photo that you uploaded, and if you double click on it, you can preview it. And if you want to download the photo, simply go to the three dots beside the file, and you'll have the option to download here, as well as sharing and more. So I'm going to select download, and then the download's going to begin in the top right corner. Now, once it's finished, all you have to do is select the folder icon, and it's going to open it up where it downloaded. And from here, you can simply drag your photo onto your desktop or wherever you'd like. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.